How's it going, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of Dean is Really Close to the Camera. How's it going, everybody? I'm really close to the camera. This is Dean. I'm close to the camera. Today, we're gonna be learning how to make an intro like Peter Mckinnon. So if you don't know who Peter Mckinnon is, then you should probably go over to his channel and watch all of his videos and binge on them. He's a very charismatic gentleman. He's a Canadian fella. Great guy. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So in about the past year or so, Peter Mckinnon has blown up. I'm gonna say the word Peter Mckinnon so many times. I think that Pete is doing a great job for this community and I am applauding him. Well done. All right, cut the crap. Let's learn something. So how we're gonna get this intro is we're just gonna download a template from VideoHive. This is not sponsored at all. VideoHive is basically this online community that you can share your graphic design, video clips, photos, and people will buy them from you, or you can buy them from other people to use for projects or any sort of work. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna type in glitch, and I'm under video right here, and I'm gonna get all these kind of glitch effects, and right here we've got a opener right here, and it's called glitch opener. That's it. It's really kind of the best one. So I've been looking through these a little bit, and here we go. Let's see this one. That one's kind of crazy. So yeah, if you just want to look through these, ooh, this one actually looks a lot like Peter McKinnon's. Oh, this one's cool. So this one, I think you could even use on TV. This looks like some Travel Channel or Ink Master kind of stuff. You could see this on Spike TV easily. And each one is gonna be priced differently. This one right here is $20. I really like this one actually. Now this isn't like a exposed Peter McKinnon. No, this is showing you guys how to do something really easily without really even learning a program. Like you don't need to know After Effects to have like a good intro. Wait, hold up. I think I just found Peter McKinnon's intro. Is this not his intro? It's something similar to this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one because I'm pretty sure this is the one he uses, if not very similar to the one that he uses, and I'm gonna add this to my cart. It's fun. Of course, he uses, this one's 30 bucks. All right, $30. Okay, so I don't know if this is true for all of these intros or title sequences that you download, but in this one in particular, it gives you a step-by-step instruction on how to basically just put your footage directly into this and change the text easily. This is meant to be a quick process, so don't be intimidated by the amount of files here. Just follow the instructions and you should be totally fine. We are finished, we are done. It took about 5 to 10 minutes kind of just figuring out where everything was pretty much the biggest thing. So as I was watching this, I realized this is his intro that he uses for 2 Minute Tuesday. So that's why I was like, this one looks like his. So yeah, without further ado, here's the intro. So I hope that you guys can see how easy this is. You don't need to learn After Effects completely and be this master to have a great intro. So don't be too intimidated by After Effects because there's stuff like this where you can just drag and drop footage and you look like a master editor. Shout out to Peter McKinnon for being an awesome guy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys learned something, if you guys are taking away some valuable tips from this, then please hit that subscribe button. Please leave a like, please leave a comment, and as always, keep killing it.